In this lesson, you will learn how to create table in SQL. Tables are created with the create table statement. So let's see how to create a table inside the test database. First, let's select the test database and then write the create table statement. For this, we will write create table, and then we have to specify the table name, for example products, and then we have to specify between parentheses. In order to make it easier for reading, we can write it in different lines. So now we have to define the columns. Sometimes it's called database schema or table schema. The syntax is pretty simple. Each column definition starts with the column name. For example, I will write the product ID, then followed by the data type. Usually for product ID, we choose integer, then comma, we go to the next line and then specify the other column name, for example, product name, and then the data type, we choose text. We will talk about the data type in the other videos in this course. So let's say we only need these two columns inside the products table. Then we have to close the syntax with the semicolon. Then let's run this query and see what will happen. Notice that we have only these tables. We have 5 tables inside the test, and let's run the create table syntax. As you see, we have a products table created, and if we expand this, we can see the column names. We have product ID and product name. As we learned in the previous video how to insert data to this table, we can do it using insert into statement, and then we have to specify the table name products, and then we have to specify values. So number 1 is the product ID, and then the product name, let's say, and let's close the syntax, and then we can copy this syntax and make copies of it. Control C on keyboard, Control V, Control V, Control V, in order to add 4 products. So I have to change the product ID to 3, 4. And then change the product name. Before I run the insert statements, let me check what we have inside this table. Select everything from table products. Click run. As you see, it is empty. It is just showing the product ID as a column header and product name. So let's run these insert statements. And now let's run the select query again. As you see, the product name and product ID has been added successfully. So this is how to create a table and insert data into it.